What's good with y'all? It's C-Mac and I am back for another video. Today we are going to be doing a pair of Converses, and oh my god, look at these all white Converses. Today I am going to be dyeing these, putting in some ribbon laces, putting a patch on it. So let's just get straight into it. First, every single time, take off these laces. Did mention that I was going to be putting in some ribbon laces, so I got some ribbon here. I am going to need to remove these laces either now or later. I always like to do it in the beginning of our custom, just because. Once we got the laces removed, I want to dye the uppers. I want to dye this fabric instead of this rubber that's on the bottom. So what I'm going to do is actually tape the rubbers off, and then I'll show you the next part. Now that we got them all taped, we are going to use our RIT dye and actually dye the uppers here. First, I do want to take out the insole just because I don't want to dye the insole. All right, y'all, so I got them all dyed, and now I'm just gonna remove the tape and let them air dry. All right, y'all, so I got the patch attached, the rhinestones. Now all I gotta do is just put on the ribbon laces. I feel like Converses will always be my favorite to customize because they are so stinking cute. Here are the full custom strawberry shortcake. Added the patch in there, the ribbon laces, dyed the base of the shoe. Let me know what you guys think. Like that like button, comment down below, subscribe, and as always, stay positive, and you know I'll be back for more videos. Bye.
Get out your feelings and get it yourself. Might got the sun shoes, but you ain't gonna step. That shit that you just put out, you could've kept.